If I were doing some laminating work, sticking together 2 MDF or solid timber boards, or maybe some veneer work, then what I really want is a nice equal amount of glue on the surface. Ideal bit of kit for this is going to be the Sili roller and tray. I've already got some glue in the bottom reservoir, so I can get my roller so he's loaded up and I can roll him out. And what we really want is a nice consistent amount of glue across the whole of the area, so we get a good gluing surface for our veneer. Once you've finished the job, you can either clean it off while it's wet under running water, or just leave it in the tray to peel out later on. If you'd like to buy our Sili glue roller and tray or other Sili products, check us out at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. Look at our YouTube and social media channels to check out the individual videos on the Sili products.